I just found a way to get Claude Opus 4.8, GPT 5.5 Pro, and many more. First, open your browser. I prefer Google Chrome. Type this URL address, which I will leave at description below. Now click Login or Sign Up. Click Google, or else no free credits. You need to sign in to your Google account. I'm showing like this because I'm in incognito mode. After you sign up, you need to wait. Now you have free $3 credits. Click on this button and click Login at ClaudeBot. Click on the Sign Up and Launch button. This is a crucial step. Follow this carefully. Choose Open Claw and then launch the Agent button. Put a random ATXP mail, or you can choose on your own. Then click Confirm Email. Choose Random Messaging App. Then click Confirm Messaging App. Click Top Up Balance. Now click Auto Top Up Settings. Scroll down and click Add Card button. You need to provide payment info, but don't use your real payment info. I have a secret website. Just put a random number. Once you finally finish, click the Save Card button. It shows the payment method successful. Now, go back to the ATXP website. Go back to your ATXP page and reload the page. As you can see, your credits are now $11.75. You may ask how to get the API key. Let me show how to get an API key plus a website test. Hover at Developer Text and click Server. Now you can't see the API key. Now click the Copy button. Now open your coding agent. For me, the best option is Kilo Code or Klein from VS Code Marketplace. I'm showing you the setup at Klein. First, open Settings and make sure you select the OpenAI compatible provider. The base URL is https://llm.atxp.ai/v1. Put your API key at second input. Model ID is depending what you want. Later, I will show you how to find model ID and available model. Right now, I choose Claude Opus 4.8. I gave the AI a very long prompt. Website result. Here's how to see all models. First, get your API key. Second, open Incognito or any private browser. If you don't have curl, you can follow me using curl online. But if you already have, just open from your terminal and paste the following command. Go to this link. And paste this command from my description. Replace the $ATXP connection to your ATXP API key. Click Run. As you can see, there are all available models. You can copy and paste them to your notepad. Remember, it mixes all of the video models and image models in it, so be careful. Some of the models do not work for some reason. Thank you for watching, and this trick is not mine. Subscribe for more real AI technique. Also, you can get unlimited Google account if you want. I create video. I just open the secret of Google account system. So if you want unlimited Google account without SMS verification, spam unlimited Google. Bye.